This has been crazy. Shack, actual size. The good news is the ship's going down.
It's hot. It becomes a party.
Welcome on board the Carnival Mardi Gras. This is my first sailing ever on Carnival Cruise Line, and we are doing it on board of one of Carnival's newest and biggest cruise ships. I hope you come along with us on this fantastic journey.
We're gonna get there. Take my hand. Together we'll make it. Together we can. To the end. Together we'll make it. So come take my hand.
Boarding passes in your hand.
That was the most chaotic scene I think I've had boarding a ship. This has been crazy this morning. We couldn't even film it. You just gotta believe me. Security line, crazy. Check-in line, crazy. Even though we had done online check-in, they still have to verify your passport. That was a solid 45 minutes from when we arrived. The good news is we've made it through. We've got our boarding passes scanned. For some reason, the boarding pass isn't on the app, which I didn't know. So you have the physical boarding pass. And we're going on a cruise. We're going on Carnival Mardi Gras. It's gonna be fun. It's the fun ship. The main atrium area was way too crowded. So we're gonna go try to get into our room. It's now just about 1:30, so the rooms should be open and ready for us. Jayla's trying to open the key packet. It is a little hard, it's not an envelope. All right, let's see our room. All right, we have a standard balcony stateroom. So you've got a couch as you walk in there with a reading light and a desk area with a little mini fridge and drawers. Interesting choice for a seat in front of a makeup mirror. They have water for purchase for $4.50. I hope that our Cheers program bathroom stand-up shower is actually a pretty nice size. Don't have a problem with that at all. And they have separate shampoo and shower gels. I do recommend you actually bringing your own though. They got a closet with safe, a few drawers. We got more hanging space, so pretty decent amount of storage. And then the bed, which has a little luggage unpacking mat here. It's not for you to keep, by the way. And then there's some little bags. It's kind of nice. That's really cool. We got a fun time ahead because this is actually a travel partner cruise. So this is actually from our from Carnival. That's really nice. Thank you, Carnival. I actually have to go to class on this cruise, so I'll be learning more about Carnival Cruise Line. We were invited by Carnival onto this ship. Well, we have found the casino. We're on deck 7, and there is a bar, and I think we need a drink. It's interesting that you can actually see outside. I've never been in a casino where you can like look out. All right, muster complete. We had to take a picture of our card and then just give us a short spiel of the ship's going down. You come to the theater. So I think we can do that. All right, we have made it to deck 16, the Lido deck. I have to say, those elevators are tiny and there are a lot of people on them. Lanyards and liquor for sale right when you get off to the Lido deck. What do we got over here? Seafood shack, lobster rolls. Those are not free. Those are additional charges. Okay, we are in the Lido marketplace. It is loud. People are getting rowdy, and we have just got on board. I like this. It's like a Caribbean design. I like this. Oh, and it's very actually open concept for a buffet. will say there's a lot of open seating, which hardly ever happens on a cruise on embarkation day and the buffet, so that's good. I can see why there's so much seating. There's a ton of seating, but very few food options compared to other buffets, in my opinion. All right, we're gonna see scan, pour, enjoy. Cheers, you have 14 seconds. Oh my gosh. Hurry up. That was stressful. I had a very short amount of time to get my drink. This tiny green cup. Well, I'll say this, that was not my favorite meal that I've ever had, but we have found the Tides Bar. I think we're on deck 16 aft, where we now find Big Chicken. Ooh, Shaq is over here. The ambassador of fun, I believe is what he's called. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments. This is included in your cruise fare. So they've got chicken sandwiches, they've got breakfast, chicken and biscuit. Ooh, that sounds good. I could be on board with that for breakfast. There he is. There's the big man. Shaq, actual size. All right, I think we're gonna go up to deck 17. Here's the Bolt roller coaster, the first roller coaster at sea. They've got mini golf back here on deck 18 aft, and the ultimate playground as well, with some splash area for the kiddos and some water slides. Only accepting riders from 2 to 2:30, so I guess you have to return time. Okay, we just learned that it's $15 per person. You have to have a return time, so if it's really busy, you'll know when to come back and do it. If there are 3 in the room, then it's $30. It's not 15 per person, so you get a discount for bringing more people. So we need to go find a third rider and have them pitch in on the cost, because otherwise it's $30 for the 2 of us, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. There's a ropes course, and the sports court is up here. All right, we're back down on deck 17. Look at this, tiki bar? What is this? Oh, this is the Red Frog tiki bar. Looks like we're heading into Serenity Adults Only retreat, and their definition of adults only is 21 and over. We are officially underway. We are moving from Port Canaveral, headed out to open sea, and we are ready for a new adventure here on Carnival Mardi Gras. They have the Grinch out for the Sailaway party, which is very interesting.
On a count of 3, everyone say boo to the Grinch. 1, 2, 3. 1. Right foot, let's go. 3. Left foot, let's go. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go.
They're saying that they're doing the world's longest conga line. I don't really believe that, but they're attempting.
All right, we are heading into Cloud 9 Massage, or the spa, because we want to get a massage.
So I will give you this one. Okay, whenever he make you stress, you're gonna beat him. Okay.
All right, we have spa treatment booked for tomorrow at 1:30. This looks like a really nice fitness center, I'm not gonna lie. This is really cool. I love the design in here, and the teal lights are really cool. Ton of elliptical machines. There's weight machines, and then you have free weights as well. That's pretty cool. And if you are into a treadmill, you get the best view at sea. Although I only love the overhang here. It's hard to really see out with the overhang. All you can see is the water. You can't see anything else. We've made our way down to Grand Central and we found, look at this holiday display. That's nice. I like that. It's cute. Well, I didn't vlog it, but we had a short event for travel advisors like myself, and now we're headed to dinner. Just a quick note about being a travel advisor. I would love to help you book a trip. It costs you absolutely nothing, and you have nothing to lose, everything to gain. Contact me, getbyzach.com. I would love to help you plan your next cruise or any vacation.
Some Jimmy Buffett going on in the Grand Atrium, Grand Central. It's about 7:40. Our dining time tonight is 7:45. So it is the time of the evening where the live music starts to go. Then lots of activities. There's going to be game shows, there's going to be comedy clubs, so there's going to be plenty to do to keep us occupied if we choose to. Pretty tired, and I have an early day tomorrow, so we may not stay out too terribly late tonight. All right, our first visit into the main dining room here on deck 6. I will likely not vlog this dinner because we're going to be at a shared table with other people, but I'll try to get some shots of the food and then update you after. So they just come around offering some shots. I've never seen that on a cruise ship before, even on Virgin. I've never seen it. All right, for dinner, I got the short rib. Dayla wants the barbecue salmon, which actually looks pretty good. And then we wanted to try the grilled chicken breast too, so you can do that. You can definitely get an extra entree, extra appetizer. You don't have to just order one thing. Try it all. Try new things. That's the great thing about cruising. It's really not bad. Pretty good. Maybe a hint more flavor. I think I probably, add some salt and pepper to it, but other than that, pretty good. This is part of what Carnival does in the main dining room. It becomes a party.
Joseph, are you ready? Good evening, Carnival family. How are you doing tonight? My name is Alex and I will be your maitre d' for the next 7 days of fun, and of course, along with this amazing great stuff, same restaurant every single night. It's a palm restaurant, the best restaurant at the 7 Seas, I promise you that. Vacation all, baby. Christmas time. Oh.
All right, dessert has come. It's the Carnival chocolate cake. It looks fantastic. It's hot. It is good. Reminds me of the chocolate lava cake that I have at Azumi.
We are in the Cabana bar. We went and unpacked, and now we're getting a couple of drinks. It's very loud in here.
All right, we got our drinks and we're gonna head back to our room, but this is interesting. The chai bang, Chinese Mexican cuisine. That sounds awesome. Here's the menu. They've got Chinese food on one section, Mexican food on the other, and they serve lunch too. We do not have this booked. Well, we are tired. It's been a travel day. I have to get up and go to class in the morning to learn more about Carnival Cruise Line so that I can assist people like you, and I'd love to help you. Getbyzach.com. Go there, request a free quote. I'd love to help you out. Cost you nothing, but thank you for coming along with us today on day 1 of Carnival Mardi Gras. There's plenty more to come, and I hope you stick with us. For now, we're just gonna say thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more content, and as always, we'll see you real soon.